Good morning to all. Today we are going to start our first chapter of operating system, that is overview of operating system. The total marks of overview of operating system chapter is 8 marks for the MSBT exam. In this session we will learn the concept of OS, components of OS and operations of OS. First, the concept of OS. Before starting the concept of OS, we will see the computer system. Today, computer application require a single computer machine to perform many operations, and the application may compete for the resources of the machine. The fundamental goal of computer system is to execute user program and make task easier. Task is performed by application programs along with hardware system. Operating system is software which manage and control the entire set of resources and effectively utilize every part of computer system. And operating system is essential part of any computer system because the basic task of operating system is, for example, operating system identifying input from the input devices such as keyboard, mouse, and sending output to the output device such as monitor, printer. After that, keeping track of files and directories on the disk and controlling peripheral devices such as secondary storage devices, printers, scanners, audio mixer. So, without operating system, it is not possible to use computer. It's totally useless. So, operating system is very important to run the programs on computer system. So that operating system is also called as resource manager, because to execute a program on computer system, they require some resources like CPU, memory, IO devices, files. They all resources provided by operating system. These all resources are inbuilt in operating system. This is overview of operating system. As earlier we discussed, the operating system is software which identifying the input which is coming from user through the input devices, keyboard, mouse, and they produce or process the meaningful output, and that output is sending to the output devices such as monitor, printer. It is the overview of operating system. Next, goal of operating system. The operating system execute user program and make solving problems easier. The operating system which provide a platform where user can solve their problems and execute the user programs by using some user interface and templates. Next, make the computer system convenient to use, because operating system provide the templates and user interface components. By using those components, we can use or user can use computer system very conveniently. because it is very user friendly. Next, use of computer hardware in an efficient manner. Computer hardware, it is physical part of computer system like keyboard, mouse, CPU. These are the hardware component. Those all are used efficiently because the definition of operating system is the operating system is interface or intermediate between user of computers and computer hardware system. Next point, that is the components of computer system. In this figure here, place the operating system. For this figure, we can justify the definition of operating system. Operating system is interface between users of computers and computer hardware. All users are give the input through the system and application program. So the definition of operating system is the interface between computer users and computer hardware. There are 4 components of computer system. These are computer hardware, operating system, application programs and computer users. Now we will see one by one all the 4 components of computer system. First component, that is hardware. Hardware is a physical part of computer which provide basic computing resources. For example, CPU, memory, I/O devices. Next, operating system. An operating system is an interface between user of computer and computer hardware. It controls the hardware and coordinates its use among the various application programs for the various users. As earlier we seen here, operating system control all these applications like compiler, assembler, database systems. Next component is application program. Application programs fulfills user requirement by utilizing hardware and software resources. For example, word processor, compilers, assembler, database, spreadsheet, and it defines the way in which the system resources are used to solve the computing problems of the users. And last component of operating system is user. User may be people, machine and other computers. These are the 4 components of operating system. This is figured out in this picture. Next, operations of operating system. How operating system is work out and which functions are provided. These are the operations of operating system. First, the program management. As earlier seen, operating system is also called as resource manager. Means operating system provide the many resources to utilize the computer system totally. A program under execution is called as process. A program stored in a file on disk or written on a paper is not a process. It is a passive entity. Process is an active entity with a program counter that specifies the next instruction to execute. The execution of process must be sequential. A program gets executed in main memory, so it should be transferred from disk to main memory for the execution. When program transfer from disk to main memory, at that time it required some resources. After completing all the resources of program, it will be converted into processes, and that process is being executed in CPU. From the computation context point of view, a process is identified CPU state, memory contents, and execution environment. If many processes remains busy in completing IO devices and other devices, CPU is allocated to only one process at a given point of time. If multiple users are working on the system, operating system switches the CPU from one user process to another. The process management activities are the creation of process, execution of process, and deletion of user and system processes. Suspending and resuming processes. Providing mechanism for process synchronization and schedule of a process, because if multiple users are working on the system at that time, multiple processes require CPU to get executed. In this situation, it is very necessary to schedule the process for the proper execution of processes. Next operation, that is resource management. It is very important function of operating system, because the operating system is also called as resource manager, because it provides the resources to execute the processes. The processes are available in the system. There are two types of resources, that is hardware resources and software resources. Hardware resources are CPU, memory, printers. These are the hardware resources, and software resources are the files, file storage space, IO devices. These are the software resources. Before execution of program, each and every program compete for the resources to execute properly. So operating system act as a manager of these resources. It decides which resource should be allocated to which program and for how much time, and after use of it, deallocate the resource for the next program. The multiple users can share the resources. The reason of sharings are the devices are expensive, so sharing saves the cost, and second, the data needs to be shared as well as need to be communicated. So without resources, processes are not executed properly. Next, security and protection. Security and protection is very important role in computer system, because user need to secure the information from unauthorized users as well as the other users working on single user and multi-user computer system. In single user system, the user should be restricted from accessing the operating system area. But in multi-user system, protection should be provided between different users. That is, one user process should not interfere with the process of other users. If users try to interfere in operating system area or other user area, then operating system should give the error message on the system. So protection, it is very important role in operating system. Likewise, security. Each and every user want to secure their information. Security provides both internal and external protection to the system while considering the internal and external environment within which it operates. Security measures deal with threats to the resources that came from outside a computer system, while protection measures strictly restricted to manage the internal resources of the system. That is, how we provide controlled access to program and data stored in a system. So it is very important to provide a security and protection to the user data. So it is very important resources which is provided by operating system. Next point, that is the views of operating system. Operating system is basically divided into two views, that is user view and system view. Because the basic task performed by OS, that is operating system, identifying the input from input devices such as keyboard and mouse and sending to the output devices such as monitor and printer. So it is divided into user view and system view. First we will see the user view. In user view, the user view of computer varies by the interface being used. Most computer users sit in front of a computer system consisting of monitor, keyboard, mouse and system unit. Such as a system is designed for one user to monopolize its resources to maximize the work that the user is performing. In this case, the operating system is designed mostly for ease of use, with some attention paid to performance and non paid to resource utilization. Some users sit at a terminal connected to mainframe or mini computer, while other users are accessing that same computer through the other terminals. These users share resources and may exchange information. The operating system is designed to maximize resource utilization. Some computers have little or no user view. For example, embedded computers in home devices and automobiles may have numeric keypad and may turn indicator lights on or off to show status, but mostly they and their operating system are designed to run without user intervention. Next, system view. From the computer point of view, the operating system is the software program most intimately involved with the hardware. We can view an operating system is a resource allocator. A computer system has many resources, which are hardware resources and software resources. So there are two different views, that is, an operating system is a resource allocator. It provides the activities like manage all resources and decides between conflicting requests for efficient and fair resource use. Means each and every process required or may compete for the resources. So operating system provide the resources to each and every processes. After use of resources, it deallocate for the next process. An operating system can also be viewed as a control program that manage the execution of user program to prevent error and improper use of computer. It is specially concerned with the operations and control of I/O devices. A more common definition is that the operating system is one program running at all time on computers, with all else being application program. The control execution of programs to prevent error and improper use of computer. Thank you.